Hi, hello, excellent slides here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. In this video, I will teach you about really interesting trick in PowerPoint, and it will let you crop to the same size plenty of pictures in just 4 seconds. Alright, so let's get started. So as you can see, I have prepared a slide, and on this slide we can see a lot of photos that are a different size and different proportions. Because, for instance, this photo is horizontal, but this photo is vertical. So you may wonder, how could I crop all of these photos to a perfect square, for instance? So how to make it really quick? I will show you. You have to select all of those pictures, so just select all of them, or use a shortcut Ctrl and A to select all of them. Now go to the picture format, and here picture layout, and you have to click right here, picture grid. So as you can see right now, this transformed to a smart art, but we do not want a smart art. So once more select it. And now, because it is grouped, because it is smart art, we need just to ungroup these shapes. So Ctrl Shift and G one time, Ctrl Shift and G the second time, and that's all. And of course here there are these text boxes, but we need just to delete them. Alright, so as you can see, all of those photos have been cropped to the same size and to the same proportions. So proportions are 1:1 because this is a perfect square. Telling you honestly, I didn't know about this trick, but recently I heard about it, and I just wanted to share this trick with you because I think it's extremely usual, especially if you are dealing with a lot of pictures and you just want to crop them to the same size. I think it's a game changer. So, like I said you before, I think we can do it in even 4 seconds. Let me try it. So, picture format, picture layout, right here, Ctrl Shift and G. Yeah, it's extremely quick. So yeah, it was a really quick video, but I just wanted to share this trick with you. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.